A very good morning to you all, my dear students. Let's continue our chapter Poverty as Challenge. In previous video we have discussed about the causes of poverty, and today we will discuss about the anti-poverty measures or strategies taken by the government for poverty alleviation. To remove poverty, government has adopted two approaches: direct and indirect approach. In direct approach, there is trickle down mean or promotion of SSI, land forms, income redistribution. And in indirect method, poverty alleviation programs are there, in which Manrega, MNREGA, PMRY or AAY. There are more schemes or steps were taken by the government. We will discuss in this video. First of all, let's start with the indirect approach. Indirect approach in this covers achieving high economic growth rate through promotion of small scale industries and education of agriculture. And this approach is also referred as trickle down effect. It was assumed that the development of industries and agriculture would create employment opportunities and income, which would lead to rapid economic development. It means if the development of industries and agriculture is there, then ultimately poor can take benefit of this approach. Second is direct approach. Under this direct approach, government has launched various poverty alleviation programs, which I have discussed, like MNREGA, PMRY or AAY. Let's start with the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 or MNREGA. It was passed in September 2005, and this act provides 100 days assured employment every year to every rural household in 200 districts, which later extended to 600 districts. Next scheme was National Food for Work Program, NFWP. It was launched in 2005. In 2004 in 150 most backward districts of the country, and this program is open to all rural poor who are in need of wage employment and desire to do manual unskilled work, and it is implemented as 100% certainly sponsored schemes, and food programs are provided free of cost to the states. Next scheme was Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana or PMRY. It was started in 1993, and the aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities for educated and unemployed youth in rural areas and small towns. Next scheme was Rural Employment Generation Program, REGP. It was launched in 1995, and the aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities in rural areas and small towns. Swarn Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana, which was launched in 1999, and the program aims at bringing the assisted poor families above the poverty lines by organizing them into self-help groups through a mix of bank credit and government subsidies. So these were the programs started by the government to remove the poverty. Still, in India there is very much poverty, and government is trying to remove it from the country. Poverty has certainly declined in India, but despite the programs, poverty reduction remains India's most compelling challenge. and urban areas and among different states. Certain social and economic groups are more vulnerable to poverty. We can reduce the poverty by higher economic growth, increasing stress on universal free elementary education, declining population growth, increasing empowerment of the women, and the economically weaker section of the society. So these were the schemes started by the government, and it was and their solution to remove the poverty. So our chapter is complete today. We will discuss next chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.